I'm really very proud, I'm thrilled actually with this collaboration. It's some sort of a memorandum of understanding to have the Tahrir campus, AUC Tahrir campus, as one other hub of the Cairo International Film Festival. There are going to be premieres, red carpet, and screening of films, important films, master classes, press conferences, discussions, as well as, of course, workshops. I mean, the whole, inshallah, Tahrir campus is going to be used as a hub, another hub other than the Opera House for the Cairo International Film Festival, and that's the first time.
We opened a recruitment to the entire student body. We accepted 150 applicants. Those applicants went through a multiple stage recruitment. Then we started the training process. As TFC, we gave them training about how the festival works, the history of the festival, Cairo Film Festival.
The collaboration this year started when we were looking for a new venue. And then when we visited the venue, we found that it's amazing and we can use it as a second hub for the festival, especially for young people.
The festival is such a big dream for anyone who's interested in film in general. So for us, everyone who's in the club, this is a huge deal. This is a big thing.
I'm really glad and honored to be the founder of Theatre and Film Club in the year 2009. And for now, after like 11 years, TFC becoming a part of the Cairo International Film Festival is a really great honor, because the students are really getting, they will learn lots of stuff and they are really excited, and inshallah will make AUC proud.